create one more file, give the file name. These all are under which folder? These all are under the internal folder. Okay, these all files are under the internal folder. You will create under the internal only. Give the file name template7.html. template7.html. In template7.html file, let's go ahead. Head, style, then follow body, head, style, body. Now under the body tab, you will follow again ULLI. For UL, you will give ID again as a menu. Right inside LI, click call home. Services, technologies, products, customer, branches, contact. Menu, better you can keep as a main menu. Main menu. Main menu. Now in this main menu, services will be drop down, technology will be drop down, branches will be drop down. So how many drop down? 3. Services, technologies, and after that branches. Menu and submenu again I am revising so that it will be helpful for you to understand the structure, how it works. Okay, next after that, first we will complete the designing part for the main menu. So let's go and write the CSS for the body tag. In body tag, you will keep margin 0px, no any gap from any side, and after that you will write the CSS for main menu. So has main menu, has main menu, has main menu, under this main menu, background, black color, and color white color. Okay, background will be black, and apply some text align, text hyphen align. Okay, by default it will come in left side, no need to do anything. Put margin 0px, there should not be any gap left right, top bottom, it should cover the total full width. Now the li is the part of main menu, li is the block level element, it will go to the new line, we have to arrange it. So we have two options now. We have one option we can use is a flags also, and another option we can use is a display inline also. Flags I will be covering under the separate folder that is called CSS3. Okay, so let's use a still display inline block. See, there is a two property. One is called display inline, another one is called display inline block. Display inline, what is that? It will come in the same line. And display inline block, what is that? That will also come in the same line, but nature will be different, behavior will be different. If you say display inline, if you say only display inline and apply padding, margin, then what will happen? Display inline element will be not very much comfortable with the margin and padding. It will feel like what? Uncomfortable. They will not apply the proper spaces. And at the same time, if you apply the display inline block, then what is that? Now it is inline only, but it has a capability to observe to capture the other property as well. Once you say the block, then it will say no problem, I can manage. If you say college, apply margin, padding, everything, then it will say no problem. So what we are doing, people ask many times inline and inline block, what is that? We can say display inline, meaning completely forcefully we change the nature of element, saying like you are always inline, and once it becomes inline, many property will not apply on that. And display inline block, when we say it is also inline, but it is ready to capture the other property. It is ready to observe the other property. Okay. So what we will do here, we will not write display inline. Why? Because you can see under the services, under the services, you are going to add the drop down. So services will become a parent and it will have a child. Now the parent should be in such a way capable that can hold the child. If we make complete as a inline, then the parent element will become helpless. It will not have very heavy capacity to handle the child level element. So we will not write here complete inline. We will write as a inline block. Display colon inline hyphen block. You are inline only, but according to need, the behavior can be modified here and there. Okay, so let's go. You will write here main menu of li. Okay, main menu of li. Apply the padding for that. Padding, how you will apply? Padding you will apply like this. Short code you are going to use. Short code says from top how much? Assume 10 px. From left right assume 30 px. From bottom also take how much? 10 px. And padding you given, then write is a display colon inline hyphen. Display hyphen inline block. Save now and check once. All menus are coming in one line. Template 7. I will run once and see, and then you can write if any modification. I will modify together. See, it is coming. Oh, color is which color? Yes. So under the li you can write here color white. This padding I guess you can increase little. 10 make as a 14. Last also 14. Middle keep as a 30. And black color combination we can change to blue color. It look energetic color. Or maybe you can keep as a indigo. INDI indigo. Indigo. Background indigo color and color as a white color. So indigo color got apply. Top bottom padding if you want more, no problem. You can keep 16 pixel or 15 pixel. So top to bottom, it will be little more spacious. And maybe font weight you want to make little bigger. You can write here font hyphen weight. Font hyphen weight. We can keep as a bold.
Mine is showing block line, sir.
I have made some mistake. Look like this. It is this much total. This much is the CSS. Spelling wise, semicolon, padding wise, then property spelling mistake, value spelling mistake, lower bracket open close, the semicolon. Please check those 3 4 possibilities. Still error?
Sir, still error coming. Same. It's not coming like that.
I will share you the CSS code. For UL, we are given ID as a main menu. For UL, we are given ID equal to main menu. You can
Yes,
check.
yes, sir. It's just menu, sir. I will change.
I have sent the HTML CSS code. Now I will send you the CSS code. HTML and CSS both are in your chat. You can use it, no problem, in case if any error.
Now, sir, it's coming. That ID change.
As a developer, the first fundamental for developer, okay? First and very important, one single line theory for developer, like when you are writing the code, you are writing it. You are not copying and pasting from somewhere. And whenever we write, definitely error will happen. If copy paste 100%, then error will not come. Suppose someone will copy the CSS what I have sent, for them error will not come. But if you are writing, definitely there is chance of error. If error is not coming, that represents there is a copy paste, or you are well trained or well practiced. Okay. So if error comes, number one step, you cool your mind. Okay, cool your mind. Say like, don't be in urgent, don't look here there. What to do? Start reading from beginning. What you have written, just read once, and whichever the level of understanding you have, in that level check, okay, every line should have semicolon, is it there or not? Between property value, colon is required, is it there or not? Curly bracket should be open, close, is there or not? Correct. ID is matching or not? Huh? Spelling what ID I have written, is it capital or small? So those common what we do, common mistakes, that we can check once, we can read once. If it is maybe you are not able to read, you are not able to find in first try, read again, then only the error you can find. Whenever you face the problem, if I look into your code, I will not look randomly, I will read from one side. Possibility, okay, this is happening or not, idea written is there or not, the li you have open close or not, text you have written, is it how, right? So everything we read, then only we'll find the error. Then you will say, how I will understand this all possibility in one day? Definitely you cannot understand, but that we are doing the same. So now suppose there is a 3 4 possibility. Yes, if not working, first check semicolon is there or not. Second possibility, id is matching or not. Third possibility, flower bracket is open and closed properly or not. Fourth possibility, your file is saved or not. Okay, yesterday one person has messaged me name, I don't know. File was not saved and photo came in my WhatsApp saying like, this page is not working. I told no, code is okay, your file is not saved. Okay, because suppose this file, if I say this is a file, okay, suppose I modified here something, you can see here this the file, before file name there is an icon, is which color by default? Blue color. Now let me write here one line here, you will see that becomes a which color? Red color, right? So that represent you have done modification, but lot modification you are not press control s, your file is not saved. Okay, so that is also one main factor. Okay, sometime in home you have idea, you have already faced the problem, pen will be in hand only and you will search entire house. Someone will ask what you are searching, you will say I'm searching for pen, you will say it is in your hand. It happen or not? Never happen sometime, right? Many times even I do. I'll keep the bike in hand only, and from ground floor to third floor I'll go and come 3 4 times. Okay, someone will ask why going and coming, where is the bike here? I don't know. It's in your hand, no? It is in your hand. Okay, so that, so we should read that. Okay, human always will do mistake, that is not new thing. But when error comes, you should not lose your confidence. You should not feel like I'm not able to write. Everyone can write, just cool your mind and read one by one. Okay, so hope at least here you are able to be, you are able to do this much. Now next target is when the mouse is touching the li has to be changed a little. Okay, li should change a little. Someone have asked yesterday, for li we have not written any color, how it is happening? Now see, for li have you written any color? For li have written any background? No, background we have not written. Background we have written for ul. Li is a part of ul. Entire ul is a black or blue. Definitely li also look like as a blue only. Okay, now come here at this place. You have here has main menu. Under the main menu there is a li. Then write li colon hover. Colon hover, whenever you write, don't give a space. So for which property, for which tag you are writing the hover property? You are writing the hover property for li tag. Okay, so between li and hover there should not be a space. It should be continuous, single word you can say. Okay, li colon hover should look like a single word, no space in between. A space will come problem will happen. Okay, now when you are going to apply the hover property, it can, your cursor can touch through the mouse, your cursor can go by the keyboard anyway, touchpad anyhow. As soon as your cursor will touch the li, then it will consider, oh, hover means hover effect will get fire, hover event will get fire. Now when hover event get fire, what you want to do under that? You want to change the background, you want to change the color, you want to change height, width, padding, margin, what you want to do, everything we can apply over there. Okay, so let's change here. When the mouse will go, background of li should convert into which color? Orange color. Now what is the default background of li?
Indigo.
Default background of li is nothing. The li background is coming from where? Their parent, that's from the ul. For li there is no background here. Look at here, have we written in background? No. So we are seeing in the browser and we are thinking, okay, there is a background for li, but in fact the background is coming from the parent of the li, that is called ul. So definitely it will feel like the child is under the background. Okay, now here what we did, which is like, okay, main menu space li. Okay, so under the main menu, whichever the li is there, colon hover, whenever the mouse will touch the li, what should happen now? Background should change to orange color. So here question can be which background? Main menu background or li background? So you have written the hover not for the main menu. We are addressing the li of those li whose parent is main menu. Correct? So at this place, the effect will get applied for li, not for the ui. Okay, check now. Background is changing. Save the file. Go to the menu. Background will get changed simply. Once we move the mouse here, background will get changed. Right, happening. Now, user experience. Functionality is happening, no problem. User experience point of view, if you look here, if the cursor is at technology, technology becomes a orange. But technology becomes a orange. Your cursor is, as of now, here. When the cursor came here, cursor is saying like, I don't know. Just I simply came here and background got red. Now user experience is like, if you are at the technology, your cursor see, yes, we are at technology. Color happened to which color? Orange color. Now the cursor also should be ready. Okay, saying like, yes, I am here. Okay, so how you can make I am here? For that you have to use a property called cursor colon anything, pointer, bg, dumbbell, multiple options are there. Okay, so cursor colon pointer, cursor colon pointer. Cursor colon pointer. So you will feel as soon as your cursor touch the li, as soon as your cursor touch the li, what happened? Cursor converted into pointer. Cursor converted into pointer. Let me have a look once. When we go here, cursor converted into pointer. Okay. Now at this place, a small effect we want to apply. Okay, what effect? In CSS, we have a property called transition. Transition, okay, that you might have gone through in the PPT. we in Microsoft presentation PPT PowerPoint, there is a feature called transition. Transition, okay. Transition property, what it will do? Suppose you want to show your PPT 10 PPT. Now transition property will say, yes, the PPT has to come and go one after other, but what should be the interval between that? Okay, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. What should be the interval between that? That is called what? Transition. Animation is something else. Animation is something else. Transition is something else. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add here, whenever any changes happen under the li property, whenever any changes happen under the li property, that changes should reflect within 2 seconds, or maybe that changes should reflect within 1 second. It should not happen immediately. It should take 1 second or 2 seconds of the time. Now look at here. For li by default, you have given some property. Now what you are doing, when the mouse will move, you are asking the li, your background is orange now, and cursor should be ready to click as a pointer. Okay, so at this place, we can set the transition for this property. Call which property? Background property. Background is happening, getting apply as a which color? Orange color. But we can say, okay, background you don't apply immediately. You take 1 second time to apply. So that what will happen? It will feel like happening slowly. Now it is happening, but fast. Okay, we can apply the control on that. Once the cursor will go there, it will feel like converting into orange. So at this place, go here. Okay, go here. Where? To the li. Okay, the main source of the li, wherever we have, we need to apply there at this place. Samitra बोलिए. हाँ? स्टूल वो सब है ना, स्टूल ही है. कैसा स्टूल? वैसे तो ऐसा अपने यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है राउंड. टेबल तो है बहुत सारे, उस घर उसमें भी होंगे छोटे छोटे, देख लीजिए, बट स्टूल घर टाइप का स्टूल नहीं है. Transition, TRANSITION, transition. Okay, in transition we are going to apply the background property, and we'll say background, whenever it change, it should not change immediately. It should take 2 second time to change. Background should take how long? 2 second time to change. That is called background 2 seconds. Save now. Save the file, go to the browser, move your mouse on li, see what is happening. Is it changing immediately or taking some time? Taking some time, right? Now the background got under the control. Background is changing, but it will happen through the transition. Slowly it will happen. It will not happen immediately. Let me go here and show you. When it comes, is happening. When it comes, is happening, happening, right? 2 seconds look like very delay. You can convert into 1 second. User is not that much free to wait and see. Keep 1 second and then see. 1 second you change and then see. So when I go here, it's happening little now. So in background, color changes happening, a smoothness got applied. It's happening now slowly. It's not happening very fast. So till here, hope we are on the track. What we wrote. Okay. Next after this. Okay. After this, we have to add the submenu inside. Menu is ready. Menu is ready. Now submenu should be there. Okay, submenu should be there. So how that should be, when we go to the technology or maybe when we go to the service, their respective submenu should get open. Okay. No error, right? Okay, cool. Go ahead then. See, what is the logic? Logic is again, as you have seen on internet, suppose under the technology, some content is there. Okay, our expectation is what? By default, the content of technology should not display. When the mouse will come here, then it should display, right? So what we will do? Simple, if you think the technology should have a content, but by default, the content should be hidden. The technology will have a content, but by default, it will be hidden. Once the cursor will come there, then how the system will come to know cursor has come here? System has to understand, no, yes, user cursor came here. So you can see, can you see this effect? Event, which event? Over event. When the cursor will go to the technology will understand, yes, cursor has come inside. Then at the same time, we'll write a condition. Inside the condition, we will write, if the mouse is under the LI, of which LI? Main menu of LI. If the mouse has come under the main menu of LI, then check inside, is there anything? If anything is there, then what is that? Whatever is that, by default it was hidden, make as a visible. So once the cursor will go, condition will happen immediately, and immediately drop down will open. Okay. Now next thing, suppose as of now all the LI you have converted into block to inline or inline to block. All the LI, now what we have done?
Inline to block.
Line. We have
Block to inline.
block to inline, not inline to block. We have converted from block to inline. But for the main menu, but for the which one? Main menu. If you are going to add some more thing under the technology or services, how you want to display? You want to display in the same line or a new line? New line. So once we go to the services, service 1, service 2, service 3 should come to the new line, right? And our concept says if something open in the new line, in our technology term, it's called as a block level element. Is it? Block level tag, right? It's called as a block level tag. Okay, so cool. So let's go ahead. So what we will do is, see, while writing the HTML, you should not mix everything. Okay, give proper space, give proper tab, write proper comment if you want, but you should not mix HTML. HTML is a main structure. On that CSS is going to play. If a structure will have mismatch, CSS will be confused. It will not give the proper output. Okay. So you know how to write the comment. Go here and write like this: service end. Okay. Right below one more, technology end. Okay. Right below one more call, branch end. Okay, technology and right below next call, branch end. Okay, hope written. Let's go to the services. Within the LI, you are going to write. Within the LI, space you can give. LI. Okay, right here call LI. Oh, not directly LI. LI will never give the LI. LI will give you the UL. LI will give you the UL. And under the UL, you have to write call LI. So you will write here, what you will write? Anything? Service 1, service 2, service 3, service 4. Service 2, service 3, service 4. Complete the service part, then we'll come to technology. Okay, come to the technology now. Under the technology, you will follow the UL. LI. Technology 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, added technology. Come down below under the branches. We have not mixed everything. Write some city name. Oh, again I'm doing mistake. LI. Bangalore. Mangalore. Mumbai. Mumbai. Pune. Kolkata. Okay, so hope everywhere, all the places you organize properly. If you run the page, something here there will come. Is going here there or organized? Oh, see, it's getting organized properly, but right, is how you know what is happening is all the childs are following the parents, and child also become a inline. You saw that the Bangalore, Mumbai, these are also what child level element, but converted into inline. Now our algorithm says we have written in the beginning, you can see somewhere main menu of LI. main menu of li should be what? Inline block. But what is happening inside? This is also the li only, no? This is also li. Where? Under the main menu. But we will say, no, 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 you are not part of that. You are the part of which one? ul. Which ul? Those ul that is under the li, and li should be under the main menu. 3 level we have to address in different way. If we say all the citizens of Bangalore, means which one? A to Z. But we'll say all the citizens of Bangalore who stay in Marathali. So all the people of which area? Bangalore only, but particular area. Condition got applied, right? Similar way we have to say all the li, but only those li that is under the main li. Sub li should have a different condition. Come now. So hope you have written the HTML. Anything you can write, submenu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if you have done, then come up. First, we have to change the. If anyone is writing, you can let me know. Else, after a certain time, once I feel okay, all should have completed, I will move to the next line. Come up next. So here you have to write now something else. Has main menu, has main menu of li, has menu of li. Okay, you can't write directly like this. Wait. All the submenu whichever you have written, you have to give a class for that, because submenu is repeating. So class is required. Submenu. Write the submenu as a class for ul that is under the inside. Submenu. Write a class submenu for ul that is under the li. Submenu. Submenu. And one more place submenu. 3 places you have. So add it properly. Submenu, submenu, and submenu. Okay, so submenu is ready. Now go to the HTML CSS part. Main menu of li of submenu. Submenu of li. So how you are finding here? You are asking those li that is under the a class. What is the class name? Submenu. And those submenu who is under the li, and li must be under the main menu. Indirectly, we are addressing to the those li that submenus have created. Correct? There you are writing. See here. This fellow what is doing? Services 1, 2, 3 are also coming in the same line. We are going to ask him forcefully, please go to the new line. So you will say here display colon which one? Block. but you cannot guarantee it will go or not, because one place you have written main menu of li should be display inline. So in that case, after applying this one property, you will guarantee it. What is that? Exclamation important. Okay, because one place we have asked the li to be in the same line. Another place you are asking particular li, you go to the new line. Some li may confuse, may browser is not able to understand. So we are saying no. If this is the root, those elements that is under the submenu is under the li under the main menu. So the last element must be displayed as a block. Okay, how you are saying must be displayed? With the help of important property. Check now where it is going. Same line or new line? Check. All the submenus should go to the new line. It should not come in the same line. All the submenus are going to where? New line. That is here. Little dearrangement happened, no problem. Agree on that. Nice. But you can see home. After that, what will come? Services, then technology, product, customer, and then branches, and then call contact. Okay, menus and submenus are coming. Little here, there is there, no issue at all. Now look at here, another possibility. The technology 1, 2, 3, where it should come? It should come below the technology. It is giving a lot of space here. Here, the services is also leaving a lot of space in the left side, right? That space we have to manage. How you will manage? See, the service 1, 2, 3, it is the li, and li is the part of ul. You can see the services is coming from where? Services is coming from the main li, and under the main li, this service 1, 2, 3 is under the sub menu, correct? So we will ask the sub menu, you don't be in the right, you start from where? Left. There is a lot of space in the left, you start from where? Left. Now two questions will come. You have in mind already. When you say margin 30 pixel, or when you say margin left 30 pixel, what it will happen? From left side it will leave 30 pixel and then it will start. But from where it will leave 30 pixel? The initial starting point. Initial starting point, what it will leave? 30 pixel. Look at there in this case. In this case, service 1, 2, 3, technology, or maybe branches, if we ask the li, this ul, this is not li, this is coming from li only, but the part of the ul. We will ask the ul to leave in the left side how much? 0 px. Margin left how much? 0 px. But that may not work. Why? Because already margin left is 0 px. Then it's starting. Okay. We have to ask the submenu to leave in the left side margin left minus 30 pixel or minus 40 pixel. Why? Because wherever there is an initial point where you are starting from, don't start from there. Go inside 30 pixel and then start from there. Then what will happen? The submenu will come under the line of the main menu. Let's come here. Where you will go? Not for this li. This li is for the li only. Before that, you will write has main menu. Under the main menu, there is a li, and under the li there is a which one? Sub menu. In that sub menu, margin, the first number from where? Top. You remember, no? Padding. How many combination? 3 combination. Similar way, margin, first number will come from where? Top. So we are saying from top, let's leave 10 px. No problem. Now from left side, we are saying, okay, leave 30 px. And from bottom also leave 30 px. Okay. Bottom also leave not 30 px, 10 px. At this point, again, it is not going to fulfill your requirement because 30 pixel is a gap from where? Left side. Already there is a left side lot of gap. So you cannot give 30 px, give minus 30 px. So what will happen? Wherever it is starting now, It will not start from there. It will go inside 30 pixel and then it will start. Check now. UL is coming in the line or still problem? Let me see as well. See, still little happen. Little came inside. 30 px look like not sufficient. Apply 50 px, margin 50 px, and then see. Still little more is required. $70. Okay. It's happening here. Something going here there, that is not big problem. First check that. It's moving little out. That is not big deal. We can give the width for the submenu. Okay. And what you are given, margin you are given, this side also you are given, submenu. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's write now for the submenu. Background is a green color. Background is a green color. For submenu, background is a green color. For submenu, background is a green color. Check now. Green is happening background. Submenu. Submenu background should be green color. Let me check again. See, submenu become which color? Green color. There is still a space in the left side here. Okay, no problem. That space we can manage through some other way. If I give here padding 0px, what will happen? Padding 0px, how it look? Let me have a look once. Submenu. Okay, padding is fine, but left side gap got increased now. Okay, 70 was not sufficient. 40, let me try, or 30. Excellent. Let me modify, then you can check it. This is okay now. Okay, 30 will be okay. Please add these two lines. Background green color, and then margin 10, 30, 10. So this margin 10, 30, 10 you have given for which tag? For LI or UL? 10, 30, 10 we are given for which one? LI or UL? UL. Submenu you have written, no? Class equal to submenu. Submenu is pointing to UL directly. Definitely it's for the UL only. 10, 30, 10, right? Background is a green color. Padding how much? 0px. Save now. Your file should look like this. Your page should look like this. Next, after that, under the submenu, we have to add one more property. Then it will become proper. You can see your main menu is going up and submenu is coming down. Right? It's destructuring. Parent is changing the position for the child. Now we will ask the parent to be there only. Child should come down. Using a property called yesterday when we are written position absolute. ABSOLUT. Position absolute. It will say like parent you be there only. The child will follow you. Position absolute. Now check how it happened. It happened something like this. Check now. Look similar or different? Or mismatch happened? All got mixed? It should not mixed. All are silent. No one replying in the chat.
Happening, sir.
Happening. Working.
If complexity will come in front of you, then only you will come to know there is a complexity also. If complexity will not come in front of you, how will you come to know complexity is there? Okay, cool. Now let's go ahead then. What is the next work is? Next work is like this. You want your menu should look like this, directly open? No. Once mouse will come to the branch, then submenu should open. Once mouse will come to the technology, then submenu should open. Once mouse comes service, then submenu should open. It should not open directly, right? So for that, we will go here and we will add a simple. The submenu you have written one place. Go under the submenu after position absolute and write there display. Display. एक मिनट. हेलो. हाँ बोलिए. अच्छा आज अफजल का है. अच्छा. समित्रा का तो पता नहीं, उसका पैर डैमेज हुआ है, कुछ चोट वोट लगा है उसको. मोना का देखिए, मोना शायद आपके लिए सुटेबल होगा अभी मंडे पर. वो तो गारंटी, वो तो शॉर्ट लिस्ट हो जाएगा, गारंटी है. बोलिए मोना को जल्दी कर लेंगे तो मतलब वो गारंटी है, वो एकदम कम्युनिकेशन से लेकर के. इनफैक्ट आप पूछेंगे तो मोना 4 लोगों को लीड करती है, ठीक है. उसी के अंदर में 4 लोग काम करते हैं. मोना ठीक है, अफजल भी अच्छा है. हाँ वही वही हम भी सोच रहे हैं कि एक तो पर मतलब कि फर्स्ट ट्राई नेगेटिव हो गया तो फिर नेक्स्ट ट्राई में बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. अफजल का देखिए, बाकी मोना का तो गारंटी है. मोना तो एकदम तोड़ देगी वो. हाँ, और फिर प्रबलिका को नेक्स्ट डे में पुश कर दीजिए. और अभी इसका कौन सा और संमित्रा की जगह पे आप कोमल को डाल सकते हैं अगर हो सके तो. वो आ जाएगी 1-2 दिन में. हाँ हाँ मैं पूछ लेता. हाँ संमित्रा से तो 100%. हम्म, हम्म. मोना का अरेंज कीजिए. हाँ ठीक है. उसके बाद में थर्सडे में प्रवलिका, नहीं तो और लास्ट को लेके जाइए कोमल को. हम्म. नहीं उसके संमित्रा की जगह पे कोमल को डालिए. हाँ मैं उसको कंफर्म कर बताता हूँ. संमित्रा को आप छोड़ सकते हैं, प्रवलिका को आप देख लीजिए. छोड़ सकते हैं. हाँ प्रवलिका को देख लीजिए जब. मतलब कि हम भी आपको नॉलेज के हिसाब से ऑर्डर किए हैं, बताया. हाँ मतलब कि टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, सिंपल सा. हाँ इनडायरेक्टली. हाँ हाँ यस यस करेक्ट. मोना तो अगर जाएगी तो वहां तो पूरा जमा देगी. वो अगर जाती है तो जमा देगी गारंटी. आप अगर कर लेंगे तो और अच्छा होगा. मतलब कि पूरा टीम ही कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाएगा कि अच्छे लोग हैं. मोना का ही याद करवा लीजिए, हेल्पफुल होगा. मतलब एक पॉजिटिव अगर फीडबैक आ गया ना, तो फिर उसके बाद 1-2 इधर उधर भी होगा तो मैनेज हो सकता है. हाँ ठीक है. Okay, sorry, yeah. So hope you are written display none. एक minute. See now, display none means all the submenu is gone. Now when it will come? When it will come? We have to write a condition again. Okay, let's go here. Right here. When main menu have a li. Okay, main menu have a li colon hover. Already hover you are written in the top, but this hover is different. Under the main menu there is a li colon hover. Okay, so which li? Under the main menu there is a li that is called home, about, services we have written. No, if the mouse will go over there, then check inside is there is something called submenu. It is not necessary submenu is available everywhere. Submenu is available in few places only. Okay, so if this condition satisfied, under the main menu, when the mouse will go to the li, okay, under the li, if what will happen? If submenu found, then what you have made display? Display you have made as a none. Now convert as a display as a block. Display should be block. Then automatically as soon as the mouse will go, the submenu will get open quickly. Try once. Mouse opening. Once you move the mouse, when you move the mouse, hope the submenu should open. See here, submenu is getting open. It's taking some time. Okay, now come inside. Okay, come inside the main menu. Has main menu of li dot submenu main menu of li dot submenu space li colon hover then margin hyphen left 15px. Margin hyphen left 15px. Okay, margin hyphen left, how much? 15px. Let us check now. When we go to the browser, see, is it happening? So feel like fast, right? Whenever it's going, it feel like it's happening, but it's happening little fast. Okay, margin, don't apply margin, apply padding. Apply padding, will look smooth. Padding left 15px. Padding left 15 pixel and even cursor also colon pointer. Cursor colon pointer. Cursor colon pointer. Cursor colon pointer. Something like this. But it's happening fast. It's happening fast. Do one thing here. The submenu you have written somewhere. The submenu one place we have written. Keep in that width something. Width somewhere 200px. It will have little width, certain width. Width 200px. Now it is okay. It's not going. Huh? Yes, width is more. Yeah, width only we wanted to apply. Okay, now come here. Width apply after applying the width. Look at here. Under the sub menu, the li you have written. See another place you can see the problem. What problem we have now? This width got applied, no problem. But when the mouse is going here, the changes is happening very fast, right? It's happening fast or not? It should not happen fast. We can apply the controlling on that. Technology should go here, there, that is okay, but it should take some time. So here, you can get here. Transition we can apply here. Under the main menu of li, we have a sub menu. Under the sub menu, whoever the li is there, for that, transition. At this point, not sure whether it will happen or not. Transition for padding left. Padding left, maybe 1 second. Padding left 1 second. Okay, ready? Check now. So the transition should happen. It should go slowly. It should not feel like it's happening very fast. Look like similar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So your menu, sub-menu is done. So you will ask how I will practice it. So you can open any website from internet and check whichever the website have menu, sub-menu. That way you write HTML first and then try writing the CSS like this. It may be one example you can do, maybe two example you can try, maybe three example you can try. Maybe after doing four example you will be comfortable, but you have to try it. Okay, it's not happen like simple once we write once and we'll remember. To do anything masterpiece in that, we have to practice, we have to repeat same task again and again, then only it will happen. Okay, and while repeating the same task again and again, multiple type of problem will come. You will get to know, oh, this is also a problem, this is also a problem, right? So your practice will be very, very important. Any type of menu you can create. Main menu, sub menu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Main menu 2, sub menu 3, 4, 5, 6. Again sub menu 3, some multiple. You can add and try it. Okay. That will be your homework. You can try from home. Next, what we need to do after this, in the same file, menu sub menu is okay. Next, we have created any kind of position sticky. You have created or not? Position sticky? No.
Oh, no.
Okay, let's come. First, go for body tag, and for body tag, write here height of a body, maybe 2000 px. 2000 px. 2000 px. So body height will be total 2000 pixel. And that will look like this. Here is the page. Correct? Next, after that, come to your page after the menu. After the menu, create one section. Give ID equal to about. In this about section, you can add H1. About us you keep, and keep some text in a paragraph. Keep some text in a paragraph. Okay, one section is about. Create one more section below. Contact. H1. Contact us. Here also write some text. Okay, hope ready. Just paragraph, section tag you have created, inside you added something. This look like this. When we scroll down, navigation is also going up. Because navigation we have not made as a fixed navigation. Navigation is also as a scrolling. So navigation will make as a fixed navigation, and here we'll apply something for about and contact. So HTML part is ready, both the section, about and contact. So come to the CSS now. What are the ID? About, another ID, contact. Come to the CSS part. Write the CSS has about. Padding 100 px. Text align, center, give height also to 50 px. No background. Next we have one more call, contact. As contact keep only padding, don't give any height, put background. Purple color. Color is a white color. Ready home and about and contact. Contact is this is called about block and this is called contact block. Padding look like more. Yeah, padding is more. Keep 50 px padding. 50 px. Padding 50 px. Okay. Purple. Background coming in which color? Right. Our requirement is when we go here, when we first the navigation should not go anywhere. That is the first requirement. Navigation should be fixed. Then when we come down, about should go, no problem, let it go. Once the contact will touch the menu, contact also will become a fixed. That is called a sticky. Sticky. So what to do for that? Now this portion is ready. Home and about and contact both are ready. So written Now come to the main menu. In main menu, write here position as a fixed position and position as a fixed position, and after that width as a 100%. Check now, your navigation is fixed or not. Navigation should become as a fixed navigation. Navigation is a fixed navigation. Let us see. See, navigation is the fixed navigation. When we are scrolling down, navigation is there only, contents are moving. See, menus are already there, sub menu as usual. When we come down, see, requirement is like this. When you are going down, no problem. About us, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Once the contact will touch this main menu, the contact also should become a fixed. After that, contact should not go up down. It should be there only. Once we scroll down, then it should go. That is called what? Sticky. Sticky. Okay. So come. Hope we are written for menu. Position as a fixed. Position as a fixed. Position is fixed. Okay. Come down now. For contact, you will write. For contact, you will write top. From top, if there is a 0px. From top, if there is a 0px, then position colon sticky. Top 0px, then position as a sticky. Top 0px, then position as a sticky. Check once. Okay, hope ready. Now let's check once. What is happening? When you go up, down, no problem, no problem, no problem. Once it will touch, oh, see, see where it went. It went up, right? We should give top, not 0, somewhere 30px. Okay, I given 80. Let me see what is happening. Okay, 80 is here only. 30, 50, 40 I given. 40 is okay. Oh, 40 is touching it. 50 will be okay. Top 50, then position sticky. This is called position sticky. And the menu is position as a fixed. This is called position fixed. And this is called position sticky. Oh, but something is wrong. Right? Menus are going where? Inside. Okay, hold on. We have a solution for that also. Under the sub menu, you understand the meaning of index? You have anything in idea in mind? Index. Index meaning is what? Sequence 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, look at here. In this page, if you see technology, when we move in this, which is up, which one is down? Let us see which index is more. Contact index is more, whereas the sub menu index is less. Because of that, it is down and contact is up. We have to increase the index of which one? Sub menu, so that it should come on the top of contact. Happen or not, not sure. Let us try. It's called Z index. Z index. Any number you can write. 99999. Okay, it should be something higher number. Not it. Exclamation important. Not it. Position, what we have written? Z index will be less. Huh? -1. Under contact -1. Okay, -1. Yeah, correct now. Under contact, you can put -1. Under contact, you give Z index -1. Nothing. Menu, sub menu. Little difficult,
I think so.
but you don't need to worry. You try that. Okay, sticky has come and added the Z index related concept, but okay, so you can try only menu, sub menu, one level, and again we'll get some more idea further.
Sir, please send CSS code in chat.
CSS code, complete code.
Yes, sir. And HTML also.
Would look like big size. It cannot come. Can I send the file?
Okay, sir.
If you are in the laptop, then you can get the file. Check once if it's able to access.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Z index, what is the value of Z index?
It's a kind of a layer position. They say no layer first, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4. So Z index will set some kind of sequence, which should be the first and which should be the second.
sir, after -1, should I write exclamation mark and important is mandatory?
Important is mandatory. Why? Because you are overriding the property. So whenever we override the existing property, we should set higher priority. Because maybe old browser will not understand. If old browser will not understand, then problem will happen. If Z index will be there, then old browser, new browser, both will take higher priority.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I written the Z index, but it's not working for me. Z
I
index.
have made some other problem. I have shared the file, take that file. Z index I have added here also, there under the main menu, not main menu, under the sub menu.
Sir, written same only, sir. Under the
Under the
submenu only.
sub menu, where is that? Here also I have added the sub menu. We have here called sub menu. Here I have added the Z index. You add this line also.
Okay, sir.
Even file also you have in chat. You can take that. Tomorrow again we'll log in. Tomorrow hope you can reach here by 9, 10 maximum. Sorry, not 9, 10, 11, 10, 11, 10, 15.